In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to create a new transcript using Salt 24, the newest version. After you install Salt, you should have the icon on your desktop. It looks like the little salt shaker here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And then once our software opens, we're presented with the Getting Started icon. So I'm going to go ahead and select New here. But you can, if you're already in the software, go up and just click on this white paper icon in the left corner, and that will also get you to the Create a New Transcript dialog box. So this is our new transcript header information. What we're doing here is formatting our header. So the first two are the speakers. Typically it's child and examiner, but there's a couple other options. Maybe you want to go with client or other. Maybe the parent is speaking. Participant ID could be their student ID. Put in their name, gender, date of birth, and then the date of sample should be entered. And then if you hit this Calc CA, what that's going to do is input their current age automatically. So that's pretty nice. And 8th grade. You can fill in ethnicity, parent education, examiner name if you want to, location, collection point, and so forth. If we move over to the right-hand side, the sampling context is the type of sample that you collected. So in this case, it's a fable. You maybe did a conversation, that would be CON, or a play-based sample with a younger speaker, narrative, retell, expo, persuasion, and so forth. But for this one, I did a fable, and the subgroup was the Fox fable. Our target language was English. Note there's also options for bilingual if you're doing bilingual samples. The other header information is just a flexible space. So let's say that I coded the sample for fluency. I might want to add that, or any other information that you feel is important to have in your header. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK, and then my header is all set to go. So then you would transcribe as you always have. And we'll pretend that that's a complete transcript. And then you're going to go ahead and save your file, just like you would if you were working in Microsoft Word or Excel. So I'm going to go File, Save As. And it kind of defaults to your pathway so that you set up. So this is Documents, My Salt Data, Transcripts. I just tend to use the default folder, but you can change where you're saving this. So you could save it on your desktop. So I'm going to give it a name, and then hit save. So now I've saved my file. Now let's say that you're done with your transcript, but you need to come back to it another time. The best way to get to your sample is to go ahead and click that icon again, open up the software first, and then we're presented with that same Getting Started box. Click Open this time, and then it should go to your default, and there's our transcript. Thanks for watching.